Hello everyone, I'm Daniel Kale. And right now I'm at Boston, teaching part-time at Harvard University. Also run a company for Dentech technology. But I welcome everyone to join the 7th CADT annual meeting hosted by the Sarek Asia Dental Education Center. Today we're gonna focus on two major topics. One is how to perform minimally invasive surgical technique. For example, how we use less trauma, the small incision, and special surgical technique help the patient get a fast recovery. That's our first goal. The second goal is how we use the digital technology and to help dentists to perform better aesthetic outcome. For example, when you place implant, we all know if we can have a surgical guide with the digital scanner can help us to perform a better outcome. But however, can we use this technology to help us design better prosthetic? For example, for the emergency profile, or have you heard about the subcritical contour or the EBC zone? So in this topic, we're gonna talk about that for you to get a better understanding for that part and provide everybody use the digital technology and help to save time. Welcome to join. Thank you.